Hello everyone. Last night we had a session about the fourth year. If you missed it, you can check out this video. It won't be long. I'll cover everything in about 10 minutes. I have already prepared a PPT for it. In this video, I'll go over all the rules for the fourth year, the options you have, and how to fill out the consent form. This video mainly focuses on the research part of the fourth year, especially for SOL students, but anyone else can watch it too. This video is to give you a basic understanding of the research part. So let's get started. There are some provisions for the fourth year. First of all, the fourth year is optional. You can choose to do it if you want. You can also finish your degree in third year. There are exit options. If you do the fourth year, you will specialize in research, academic projects, entrepreneurship, or whatever you prefer. We are focusing on research here, and it will also give you an idea of the research process under NEP 2020. It provides different academic paths and allows students to specialize in other subjects along with their honor degree. There are exit, continue, and dropout options. Let me explain that too. If you exit after 3 years, you will get an undergraduate degree, BA Honors in Economics. If you are in BA program, you will get a program degree. If you complete 3 year plus one more year, you will get a BA Honors degree with a research project or entrepreneurship, whichever you choose. You can also take a break. You can take 1 year break and still finish your fourth year within the next 10 years. Now, let's understand postgraduate CUET PG. If you do only 3 years of graduation, then you will get a diploma after the first year of PG. Once you have completed your 3 years graduation, you can go for post graduation. In the first year of your PG, you will be eligible for a diploma. After completing the second year, you will get a full master's degree. But if you do a fourth year graduation, you will get your master's degree in just first year. And in the second year, if you are doing a fourth year degree plus 2 years of master's, then you will get some extra credits. So doing the fourth year isn't a waste. You will get additional academic credits, which I'll be explaining in the next slide. If you are doing a 3 years graduation, you will get 5.5 credits. If you go for the fourth year, you will get 6 credits. If you are fourth year plus 1 year of PG, you will get 6.5 credits. A master's degree as well. After 4 year of graduation, 2 years of PG, you will get 7 credits. This is the credit structure to follow in the future. Now one more thing, net PhD. Anyone who wants to go for a PhD after the fourth year, if you have 75% aggregate marks in graduation, you're eligible for the PhD net exam. You can also apply directly, skip the post graduation stage. You can go for PhD right after graduation, but you need at least 75% overall marks. There is 5% relaxation for OBCs, SC, ST, and minority students for BA program students. There is currently no provision to do a PhD directly after 4 year graduation for program student. Only BA honors students can directly enter a PhD. Another point, if you are in the fourth year, you will also have the time to prepare for PG exam for the next year. If you are planning ahead or still unsure about your path, you can choose the fourth year. Surprisingly, the syllabus for CUET, PG, and UGC NET is almost the same. All the course cover subjects like economics and quantitative topics. You can finish your syllabus by October, then focus entirely on semester exams in November and December. From January to March, you can start your test series for CUET PG, and then you can also attempt UGC NET in June. Now let us understand what you will do in research and how we are going to approach it. First, whatever topic we choose in the 7th semester will continue in the 8th semester too. In short, you will pick one topic and stick with it throughout the year for your research. You will also have a supervisor who will guide you through the entire process, methods, and everything important before you start. The research process include choosing a topic. We will select our topic now. I'll explain how to fill out the consent form, what the options are, and how to choose the best option for you. One piece of advice: choose your topic wisely. Don't just pick something that sounds cool. You will need to read books, research paper, and study a lot about it. That's why your interest matters the most. After choosing a topic, you will do a literature review reading the existing research that's already out there. Then you will identify gaps. For example, says there is a research paper on chat GPT and AI, but you notice a gap like how AI replace humans. You can take the gap and build your research around it. Remember, plagiarism is not allowed. The university uses tools that can detect copied work. Make sure your research is original. For PhD aspirants, I have also explained the minimum and normal duration of a PhD. Now, about the course structure. In the 7th semester, you will have one DSC subject worth 4 credits. We can choose 3 subjects from DSE options. For example, quantitative method is compulsory. Then you can pick other DSC or GE subjects. Options are 3 DSC or 2 DSC, 1 GE, or 1 DSC and 2 GEs. This combination will give you 16 credits. In addition, you will get 6 credits from research. So the total becomes 22 credits. 16 academics plus 6 research. The same process will be continued in the 8th semester. Now let's look at the research work in the each semester. In the 7th semester, first you will identify your research problem, then review existing literature. Next, you will design your research, deciding methods and tools. If your research requires surveys or fieldwork, you will start that in 7th semester. In the 8th semester, you will complete the surveys, fieldwork, and submit your dissertation to your supervisor. For regular student, the goal is to publish research in Scopus, Indexed, or similar quality journals. For SOL students, since publication in 1 year is tough, most likely you will have an oral viva where your supervisor will question you about your work. So that's the basic structure for the 4th year. Apart from research, there are 3 main concepts: academic project, dissertation research, and entrepreneurship in the website. So let's take a basic understanding of that as well. Academic project, fewer topics, more focused on economics. Research, broader, more topics from other domain as well. Entrepreneurship, you can pitch a business idea after taking entrepreneurship in your upcoming year. I have mainly focused on research because that's the main concern for the most of the student. If you still have doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll reply to your questions. One more thing, there are major and minor degree. A minor degree means you have studied 7 GE subjects in the same stream across streams. For example, if you choose business studies in semester 1 and continues with similar GEs up to semester 7, you can earn a minor degree in that subject. This can help you because you will be eligible to choose that subject in your masters as well. So, one more provision of NEP 2020 that I have discussed with you. That's it for today. I hope this video helps.